Hello and welcome back to our course related to affiliate marketing and email marketing. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about which are the best marketplaces or affiliate networks where we can go and find offers that we can then promote to our email list. Obviously, in the following lectures, we will discuss about actually how to set up accounts on those affiliate networks and how to get our affiliate links basically, and how to actually promote those offers, right? But those are the places where we can go and find these offers that we can promote our list. You have seen that we can build an email list in different niches. We have digital products in different niches. And right now we want to show you, because we are going to dive into more information related how to build your email list. And one of the ways of building your email list is to offer to create a one page where you offer people a lead magnet, okay, something for free in exchange for their email address. And we want to show you some examples of this type of pages. And here is one example related to the online marketing niche, the beginner's guide to online marketing. And you can see here, this is like a more complex opt-in page. Usually they are more simple, and you are going to see an example with a more simpler opt-in page. You can see here free ebook, the beginner's guide to online marketing, first name, last name, business email, phone number, what department are you working at now, which is your job level, and so on. Get your free ebook, right? And online marketing explained, a cheat sheet for digital marketers. Basically, what you are going to receive if you put in all of your details here, you are going to receive this online marketing explained cheat sheet for digital marketers. So we are going to get a cheat sheet for digital marketing. Get your free ebook. What's the difference between small, medium marketing and social advertising? I don't understand exactly what they want to show here. Anyway, we just wanted to show you this example of an opt-in page. So this is how an opt-in page can look like. This one is more complex. Why? Because they require you more details, not just your email marketing address, okay? They want to take your first name, last name, phone number, department where you are working, job level, and so on. Okay, this is like very complicated, right? Okay, now let's go in the free into another opt-in page, which requires less information than the previous one, from Fan Booster. Okay, free ebook, content marketing explained. So if you put your details here, your name, email address, business name, country, and phone number, it's similar in terms of how many details they require from you, but it's not as complicated as the first page. It's more simpler. Okay, this is another opt-in page. The lead magnet that they give is this free ebook. Okay, you have a couple of details here about it. If you put in your details here, you will get this ebook on your email address. Okay, and we want to show you a very simple opt-in page, and the more simpler an opt-in page, the easier people who come on that page will transform into actual subscribers. The only difference is this: when you have an opt-in page which is more complex like this one, with more explanations, with more requirements from your subscriber, your subscriber, even if your conversion rate, that means from, let's say, 100 people that end up on this page, only 10 will subscribe, they will be more qualified to do business with you, because they will be more targeted. They will invest more of their time and details, okay, for you, for this free ebook. So they will be more interested in doing business with you. The simpler it is for a person to actually get on your email list, so just give you their email address, your conversions will go up. So for a simpler page like this one, let's say we have this page, okay, which is very simple, only the name and email address. Let's say that from 100 people that come on this page, we don't have only 10 who subscribe to the email list, we have 40, so 40%, but they are less interested in doing business with you than the 10 from the other page, right? Because they have to invest less resources, okay, less details into actually this transaction with you. They are doing a transaction with you. They give you something, you give them something in exchange for their name and email address. The more you require for them and the more they give you, that means the more interest they have to do business with you. Makes sense? Makes total sense. Okay, so this is how this looks like. Okay, this is how a simpler opt-in page looks like, and the simplest form of opt-in page, you only have the email address where to subscribe. Okay, so these are free examples of opt-in pages and lead magnets as well. Okay, all of the lead magnets that you have seen here are ebooks, okay, free giveaway reports, but people are always also giving away video courses, audios, graphic templates, and other stuff like that. Okay, this was just an example. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in